is Sunday, October 6, 2013, and I'm here in front of the Unitarian Church of Montreal. And today I'm making an issue of the fact that the Unitarian Universalist Association, just over 16 months ago, had me served with a cease and desist demand letter, courtesy of Stikeman Elliott, barristers and solicitors litigation lawyer, Maître Marc-André Coulombe, basically demanding that I take down blog posts. And amongst their demands, the most incredibly hypocritical and hubristic was a demand that I take down blog posts which were alleged to contain, and here's an exact quote from the letter, unfounded and vicious allegations to the effect that ministers of the Unitarian Universalist Association engage in such despicable crimes as pedophilia and rape. I threw in Unitarian Universalist there. The letter itself just said association. But essentially, you know, they were saying that I was making unfounded and vicious allegations about Unitarian Universalist ministers, specifically, engaging in rape and or pedophilia. And that these allegations were unfounded and vicious and therefore were defamatory to the extent that they amounted to the archaic crime of blasphemous libel, which hasn't been prosecuted in Canada since the dirty 30s, as it were. I am protesting that because the few allegations that I actually made on the blog were by no means unfounded. This is basically Lance Armstrong style legal bullying by the UUA with their Canadian attorneys, Stikeman Elliott, barristers and solicitors. And I find that kind of ironic because one of the lawyers for Stikeman Elliott, barristers and solicitors, is none other than Richard Pound, Dick Pound, who's famous for going after people, you know, who are guilty of doping. So here's, you know, a law firm that on the one hand has a lawyer who knows, you know, very well what Lance Armstrong style legal bullying is all about, and yet this very same law firm has some of its own lawyers doing exactly that, basically trying to intimidate people into, you know, saying that what they said is not true when in fact it is. So on that note, just going to step out of the picture here, and you can take another look at the slogans, which say blasphemous, repeal or reform Canada's blasphemous libel law by 2014. And then in the background, which is hard to read, no doubt, Unitarian misuse of Canada's blasphemy law sucks you, asterisk you. So those two slogans are on the sidewalk, and they are speaking for me today. So that's it for now.